The Pretoria Magistrates Court has acquitted all the accused during the hostage situation against the Minister of Defence in October last year. There's a lot of jubilation outside as the veterans are happy with the outcome. I am the defense counsel and Charlene Moleya. Mr. Nkome, thank you so much for your time. What is your reaction to the outcome? You were hesitant. I mean, you expressed the fact that the state did not have a strong case.
We've always maintained that the state did not have a case against the accused persons. Hence, they had to come through with charges, trumped up charges, like, for example, your terrorism, your high treason, and they ended up with conspiracies. So at the end, we wanted to prove that what is lying at the base of all of this matter is the reparations that the military veterans are supposed to get. And they had then to come up with excuses as to why they're not supposed to be paid. But the war and the battle to go and make sure that those reparations are received is waging on.
Yes. But why do you think the case had to drag for so long for the state to realize that they don't have a case? Because you were insisting that there was no evidence against the accused.
Look, we were given a docket, we were given contents of a docket, and we had to go read through so that we can show the state the inconsistencies together with the contradictions that are in the docket. And we went to show, amongst others, that there were so many statements that they didn't take to try and prove their case. So at the end, they could see that there was no way, even if the case were to run, that they were going to win it in court.
Yes, but would you attribute this to the investigating officer bungling the case after he did not actually get those relevant statements?
I will not point fingers at the investigating officer, but I would say the basis of this is people trying to run away from the responsibility of government to pay reparations to military veterans who physically went to fight for the freedom of this country. So coming up with charges is one of the excuses of stopping them from making payments.
And the way forward from here after this victory?
We heard in the past weekend that the Deputy President made mention of the fact that they are trying to have discussions with military veterans about paying reparations. Those discussions are not taking place with our clients, and it cannot be that our clients are paid without being informed or without being inquired from as to how much are they supposed to be paid, what the process is supposed to be. All that they are saying is they need to be part of the discussions that are taking place about how much they're supposed to be paid, when are they supposed to be paid, and how are they supposed to be paid.
Okay, thank you very much. Well, as you heard, that's the defense counsel for all the 53 military veterans that were actually accused of keeping the Minister of Defense and the Deputy Minister hostage back in October last year. They are very happy with the outcome of the court today.